Happy Sunday, everyone.
The plan for today is primarily to go towards Cordell Farm Stay, which belongs to a good friend of mine, Mr. Allen, and his family. At the spot today, there will be a meetup of Motor Tribe, the motor club which has members both from Mangalore, Udupi, and Manipal area. So most of them from Udupi and Manipal are coming down, riding towards Mangalore today to meet up with their Mangalorean team members. And as you can see, already close to the farm stay, it's already all green everywhere with the wet roads below. It's slippery, but then it's nice. It feels good to be in such places around nature, which are not really far from home. I think it is hardly around 7 to 8 or maybe 6 kilometers from my house. So it was a really short ride, soon to reach. And look at the beauty around. It's already so nice. It actually feels like it comes somewhere far from home, and it's a totally different feeling altogether. It doesn't feel like it's anywhere close to the city. That's the best part of this place. This is the entrance. This is how you're greeted with all the greens everywhere. There are some boards mentioning the COVID precautions that are to be taken, so everyone's following that as well. This exactly is a spot where you get to stay if you're planning to stay over, and you see the chairs and everything over here. This is what's set up as a breakfast, thanks to Alan and his family. It's overall a very nice setup, very simplistic, and just what's needed. See, all the bikes are over there already lined up, and I came in a little bit late.
What's up? I'm on time. You're on time. Yes. Side deep landala. Yeah.
So we just got done with our breakfast and all the chit chat. There were a little bit of talk and all the speech given by the members from Manipal, Udupi side, whoever had come to meet up with the Mangalore guys. There was a small banner that was revealed as well. Unfortunately, I didn't get. I did not get an opportunity to record it. I was rather enjoying the moment.
We used to time at the entrance. Then guests are welcome. Great welcome. Hey, what's in Gundu? Gundu. He's very people friendly. Yeah. He's not friendly with other dogs. It's the same thing with Simba. He doesn't like cats. He hates cats. He likes people. Hey, give me, sit down. Sit down. I'll leave then. Oh, should I help with the packing? Okay. Ta-ta. Okay. Josia, bye-bye. Yes, yes, yes. Yeah. See ya. Bye bye.
So done with the morning for today, done with the breakfast as well. Thanks to Rallying for arranging a really good breakfast. Overall, it was a fun meetup. It is good to see all the crowd of Motor Tribe getting all along together. It was really nice. And this is when I think I should just head back. But then eventually I feel the day is still too young. And as soon as I hit the main road, I decide to call up a friend and see if he's still available. Now, this is one of those Sundays when we did not have a weekend lockdown around here at Mangalore, so we were still free to catch up over the weekends, considering that we had to take safety precautions, COVID related. That's why everyone had their masks on when it was required, and all the hygiene was maintained. But still, like I said, the Sunday is still young, the day is still young. I mean, it's hardly even afternoon at this point, I believe. And then, like I said, I also called up a friend. I just wanted to reconfirm that we will be heading ahead and going out somewhere just to chill out for some time. So I'm just going to call him up now and see where do I meet him. And in the next video, it will be me and him exploring the back roads of Tulnad. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and don't miss out on the next video. See ya!